So, I've been noticing more subscribers recently, and I thought to say thank you. And to really thank you properly, I'm gonna answer one of my most asked questions: how I do my coding interview sketches. Today I'm filming episode 4, so it's like the perfect time to do it. Now, without further ado, welcome to the set. It's just my living room.
You see, I filmed the show in front of a green screen, and I used this room divider to hold it up. I make sure I put it below the light so that it's bright enough and I won't cast a strong shadow on it when I'm in front. Those are pissing off to remove during editing. Then I need a long table here, but I don't have one. So I use my bedroom door, which you may remember from my scientific investigation of the balancing phenomenon. If not, check that out. I scienced the stick out of it. This works pretty well. You can't tell it's not really a table, and it's long enough to go outside the screen. For the actual filming, I use my phone. It's really important to start filming using the Pro settings, where I set the focus to manual and fix the exposure. If not, the phone will constantly adjust focus and brightness levels based on what happens in front of it. You don't want this. It's very annoying if the characters become out of focus all of a sudden, or if the green value changes during filming. It will make the green screen more difficult to remove in post. I made this tripod thingy to hold it, and I used this toilet paper roll thing to hold it in place. Hey, it works. I also use a microphone. I have several to choose from, but none of them are really good at picking up sounds when farther away. Last time I used this one. I tried to speak loud enough and it kind of worked, but it almost felt like I was shouting. So what I'll try now is this other one. It has really long cables, so I'm gonna try to hang it up somehow, and it's okay if it's in front of the green screen only. I can easily remove it in post. So more weird things coming up. I'll use a skiing pole to hold it, and I'll tie the pole to this cooling box so that it only interferes with the green area. Then I bring my props and I'm almost ready to go. I need to remember to shave for the nerd character. I actually forgot to do it in my channel trailer, and you can see the result is not so good. To shave, I of course use my Super Shaver God Super Shaver.
It's over 9,000!
Then I add a bit more light and that's it. This is just a desk lamp with a paper towel in front of it, so it diffuses the light and doesn't make strong shadows.
Not sure if it's what you expected, but that's my setup pretty much. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn how I do the editing. It's getting late now, so I better start filming. See you next time.